Hi guys, let's do another unboxing. This was sent to me yesterday by Dana of I don't know if you can see that, Curious Cat Mystical Finds. I will include her shop at the description box if you want to try or to see her other items. Um, she's having a sale until the end of I think February for her father's medical bills. There's um, bookmarks and stamps. Okay. I like the way that she packaged this tarot and oracle decks. Um, Her price is almost the same with Amazon because she's having a sale, right? So what are we going to see first? Let's try the tarot. This is the tarot of the hidden realm. I don't know how to wait. Let me pause this for a while. Okay, there it goes. There is a note here, a fairy song. The package is so good that I don't want to. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I want to save this note that she had here. Here is the tarot of the hidden realm. I paired this uh, with this one. This is an oracle deck. Because I feel they're going to vibe together. The forest fae. So let's see first this tarot of the hidden realm. It's like the common boxes for the tarot, sturdy. It's also magnetic. Here's the cards. There's no more here. So let's see. I like the book. It's matte laminated. It was printed in black and white inside. It's pretty heavy. So let's see this tarot deck. Here it goes. Here is the food. So instead of the dog, there's a butterfly as the guide, the magician, the high priestess, the empress, the emperor, the hierophant, the lovers. Love it. Um, the freest dungeon. This is the chariot, right? Strength, the hermit, the fortune fairy, which is the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hangman, Death, Temperance, the Shadow Dance, which this is the Tower. Oh, the Devil, the Blasted Beach, which is the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun. I like the color yellow. Um, Life Renewed, which is the Judgment card, and the World. The Suit of Wands, Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands, Four of Wands, the Celebration, Five of Wands, Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands. It's Arrow. Nine of Wands, Ten of Wands, Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, beautiful, and the King of Wands. So you see why I pair this with the Forest Fae. But these are beautiful fays or fairies. And, well, this really showed the true form or of the face. Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, oh, Three of Cups, Four of Cups, Five of Cups, the Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, the Host, and the Ten of Cups. Mm. The Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the King of Cups. Here's the Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords, an impasse, hostage, the Three of Swords, the Four of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, I like it, King of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, my card, and the Ten of Pentacles, which is Jupiter in Virgo. Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. So there you go. The cardstock is a bit glossy. I think it's laminated, but it's thinner than the other cards or the usual card. And this is the way that I like it. I don't want so much thickness in my card. It's easy to shuffle. I dream to shuffle, and this is what makes the tarot better for me. For me to really use the tarot, it should not hurt my hand. I have a lot of tarot that I really like the aesthetics, the artwork, but because it hurt my hand, I seldom use it. Yeah, it's a dream to shuffle. Let's get our first message. The of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Page of Cups. So these are for those of you who are feeling lonely, or you feel you don't have enough. This is the scarcity mindset, the feeling of lack. Maybe you feel orphaned, abandoned, be not being supported by the people in your lives. Well, this is telling you to keep a positive mindset um, regarding the situation. The sun will set, but it's going to be to rise again. And when the time comes, it's going to bring an opportunity for happiness. Once more, under the deck is the moon. Maybe you're not really seeing it right now. Maybe you feel like like I said, the sunset, and there's only the moon for illumination. But it's going to rise again, and with that sunrise is a promise that things are going to get better. Okay, now let's see this forest fay. I'm just going to put a timestamp. So if you just want to look at the artwork of this oracle card, you can do so. One of the appeal of this deck for me is the size. It's very small. It's foil laminated. There's the card. Sit quietly and breathe deeply. Shuffle the deck while thinking of a question or just ask the Fae for guidance. Choose a card at random and discover what messages the Forest Fae have for you. Perhaps the answers will be clear, or maybe they will ask more questions before they answer. Such is the way of the Fae. Enter the forest, seek wonder and enchantment, and hear the curious messages of the Forest Fae. This set of 40 magical cards invites you to delight in your imagination and spark joy and inspiration. Go beyond the boundary between this world and that to escape what your way in the forest and to escape your way into the forest and to magic. Here's the back. I didn't show you the back of this card, the hidden realm. Here's the card. Here's the back. And there's the face, the suits, the soothsayer. Travel the road seldom taken to the greenwood. I'm just going to show it to you. I dropped it. Why? Lady of the Lost is the card that I dropped. Give to other, treasure life and all its magic. That's it. Let's see. It's also glossy, laminated. The cardstock is thicker than the tarot. Yeah, it's easy to hand shuffle. I don't know if it's going to be easy to shuffle. Yeah, it's okay, although it's a bit stiff because it's thicker. But it's easy to unshuffle anyway, so I think I'm just going to unshuffle this one. Let's get a message, our first message here. The Mandragora Mother, find the secrets hidden in the brambles. What does it mean? Find the secrets hidden in the brambles. She of the mossy brae, not all things are as they seem. Trust in your intuition. Okay, so there's just the storyteller. Maybe the storyteller is going to tell you something that is not really, um, it's not the truth. Do not believe the story. Trust your intuition and find the secrets that is hidden from the story that the storyteller is telling you. Okay, so I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you.